So, derivative. So, first sa rules ng derivative is the constant rule. Okay, sa constant rule, yung derivative of a constant with respect to x is equals to 0. So, halimbawa, derivative of 8. So, that is equals to 0. Derivative of 5 is equals to 0. Derivative of pi, that is equals to 0. Lahat ng constant ay equal siya sa 0. Number 2, identity function rule. Okay. So, dito naman, yung derivative ng, halimbawa, say, derivative of a function with respect to x. Say, x is equals to 1, okay? So, halimbawa, 2x, that is 2. 3x, that is equals to 3, okay? So, ito yung nagiging stepping stone, yung identity function rule ng power rule. Yung power rule kasi, yun yung pinaka gamit na gamit sa derivative, diba? So, lalagyan lang natin yung function rule ng exponent niya. So, halimbawa, insert ko na yung power rule dito, ha. Okay, so number 3 ko dito is yung power rule. So, example kasi din power rule is halimbawa, 2x raised to 2. Okay? So, pag nag-derivative ka niyan, so that is derivative of that with respect to x is equals to 2x squared, that is equals to 2 times 2 raised to 2 minus 1. So, ganun lang. Ibababa mo lang yung exponent, imumultiply mo siya dito sa coefficient na 2. Okay? Tapos, yung coefficient, yung exponent, magma-minus ka ng 1. Okay? And then, simplify. 4, nawala yung x pala. 4x raised to 1 or 4x. Okay? So, ganun lang po siya. So, another example. Find the derivative of a function negative 9x raised to 50. So, ang derivative niyan in terms to x is equals to, lagay ko muna, negative 9x raised to 50. That is equals to negative 9 yung coefficient, tapos ibaba mo yung exponent na 50 times x raised to 50 minus 1. Then, multiply mo yung mga coefficient niya, that is negative 9 times 50 is 450 x raised to 49. Okay? So, another example, how about this one? Function of x is equals to 3x raised to 7 over 14. So, yung derivative niyan, or f prime of x is equals to, ihiwalay muna natin yung fraction, that is 3 over 14, dun sa kanyang variable x raised to 7. Okay, para yung variable x raised to 7 ay ma-derivative natin siya, or ma-differentiate natin siya. So, ang gagawin ko dyan, that is equals to 3 over 14 times yung exponent na 7 binaba, times x raised to 6. Okay? Kapag ganito guys, pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify. So, that is f prime of x is equals to 3 over 2. Saan yung galing yung 2? Kasi yung makakancel yung 14 at saka 7, diba? So, that is 3 halves x raised to 6. Next is yung sum rule. Sum and difference rule. Okay? Pareho lang naman yung kanyang Pero ang focus ko dito yung sum muna. Tapos operation lang naman yung magbabago. So dito naman, the derivative of u plus b. Okay? So d in terms of x is equals to the derivative of u in terms of x plus the derivative of v in terms of x. Okay? So example tayo. Halimbawa, we have a function 8x raised to 5 minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5. Okay? So, i-apply natin yung kanina, yung sa constant rule, yung sa function rule, at saka yung sa power rule. So, ito, 8x raised to 5. Pag nag-derivative tayo dyan, lahat siya magkakaroon ng derivative, diba? Kasi yung u at saka yung b para siya nagkaroon ng derivative. So, ang mangyayari, d over dx, 8x raised to 5 minus d over dx, derivative niyan, 3x cubed plus d over dx, 2x squared minus d over dx of constant 5. Okay? So, pero, pinakita ko lang dyan, pwede ko na siyang burahin para wala tayong gaanong aksaya sa space. Yan. I-direkta ko na siya dito. So, that is equals to 8, yung coefficient 8, times, ibababa natin yung kanyang exponent, 5x, tapos babawasan natin ng 1 yung exponent, that is 4. Gawin natin sa lahat. So, 3 times 3, x raised to 2, plus 2 times 2, times x raised to 1, di ko na ilalagay, minus 5. Okay, yung 5 is, yung derivative ng 5 is 0. Okay? Then, simplify, that is 40. X raised to 4 minus 9. X raised to 2 plus 4x. So, ito na po yung derivative ng function na yan. So, another example. Function of x is equals to x raised to 4 minus 8x cubed plus 7x squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so find the derivative of that. So f prime of x is equals to 4x raised to 3 minus 8 times 3x raised to 2 plus 7 times 2 times x raised to 1 minus 2 times 1 plus 0. Okay, that is equals to 4x cubed minus 24x squared plus 14x minus 2. Okay, so f prime of x. So another example, function of x is equals to 9x raised to 5 minus 3 over 4 x raised to 3 plus 13x squared plus 8. Okay, so f prime of x is equals to 9 times 5x raised to 4 minus negative 3, 4 times 3 times x raised to 2, okay, plus 13 times 2 x plus 0. Okay, so that is equals to 45x cubed minus 3, 4 times 3 is equals to 9 over 4 x cubed plus 26x. Okay, so yan yung sagot sa derivative na yan.